Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Shiba Inu news. The price of Shiba Inu is going to quadruple tonight, with new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and Sharium constantly entering the market. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more well-liked and accepted. An emerging Ethereum-based Layer 2 (L2) blockchain network for Shiba Inu is called Sharium. It will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into a whole ecosystem. We'll discuss the SHIB price in this video, which is set to quadruple tonight. This is big SHIB news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. Shiba Inu has established itself as a prominent meme coin and is now among the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The group behind SHIB has continued to work on a number of projects at a consistent pace. The SHIB ecosystem is well known for its noteworthy milestones and benchmarks. On April 18, Binance announced that Shiba Inu would no longer be housed in the innovation zone, marking one of the most recent milestones. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange just announced that it will be removing Shiba Inu from the innovation zone on April 18 along with other tokens like FraxShare, Trust Wallet Token, and 1ANCH. In the release, Binance stated that the innovation zone was created to provide a secure environment for trading novel and creative projects. Some of these initiatives might have shown their value over time and fulfilled Binance's exacting requirements. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and these other tokens from the innovation zone following thorough evaluations. After Binance carried out reviews based on a number of criteria, SHIB achieved this milestone. An individual tried to stress test the network by writing a software that produced millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of the Shiba Inu Sharium network, is still rising, raising questions about what is behind this unexpected increase. A script was created to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network, according to recent revelations. In a recent tweet, a team member of the Shiba Inu-based NFT project SHIB Pixel Pups revealed that they wrote a script that carried out over 3 million transactions on the beta network and created over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet. The team member also disclosed that they were responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test network. These tokens include SHIB Pixel Pups Token, SPX, and SHIB Pixel Pups DAO, SPEAO. According to data from PuppySkin, PuppyNet's official block explorer, the network currently has an astounding 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Keep in mind that there are now over 5 million wallets, an 86% increase in just 2 days. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The test network's goal is to provide interested parties a chance to test the network in different ways before it launches on the mainnet in order to confirm its dependability and efficacy. All activities, coins, and transactions seen on the testnet are only for testing purposes and are not real, as the Shiba Inu lead, Satoshi Kusama, has frequently stressed. It is commendable that a script was created to create millions of wallets on the test network, as this can help assess the blockchain's scalability and effectiveness. It can also assist in identifying any possible errors or hiccups that might arise along the procedure. To evaluate the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, their goal was to assess the network's capacity to manage high-traffic scenarios, such as airdrops and games. They also stated testing the network's transaction time, robustness, and other features using an airdrop script and other methods. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The SHIB burns throughout the last month of March have been really spectacular. 540 transactions totaling 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt in March. As a result, there was a notable rise in both the total number of SHIB destroyed and the number of transactions when compared to prior months. Since October 2022, when 2,433 transactions totaling 9.05 billion SHIB were burned. The March burn was the largest. The SHIB burn tracker revealed yesterday that a single wallet accounted for 25.31 million of the 34.92 million Shiba Inu that were destroyed in 3 transactions. Coinbase 10, a wallet connected to Coinbase, made the biggest transaction, sending a staggering 25.33 million SHIB to the burn address in a single transaction. The overall burn rate increased by 1.8% as a result of this transaction in comparison to the day before. The futures market is another indicator of the increasing trend. Open interest, OI, in Shiba Inu has increased since the start of March. The number of active positions that investors have taken in contracts is the statistic. The quantity of open futures has surpassed 2.44 trillion SHIB, or roughly $26.78 million, according to CoinLast data. OI was just about $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest indicates that traders are becoming more interested in SHIB. Early in February, when the price of SHIB reached its annual peak of 0.0000159, the OI was $47.3 million. The Shiba Inu's price was 0.00001083 at the time of publication. The SHIB price is presently trading in an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern, as was mentioned on News BTZ. The uptrend is still in place because SHIB has established a new higher bottom with today's slide to 0.0000164. By the end of April, it might be clear whether the bulls or bears will win out. As a result of a gradual increase that began a month ago, Shiba Inu's futures open interest, OI, recently surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, $27.51 million, attracting the attention of investors. This upward trend raises expectations of a price spike and indicates a resurgence of interest. The entire amount of outstanding futures contracts that have not been resolved or closed out by an offsetting trade is known as futures open interest. In essence, it shows how many contracts are still in effect and held by market players. An exponential spike in an asset's open interest typically indicates that traders are placing positions in anticipation of price fluctuations and that a sizable amount of fresh money is entering the market. Shiba Inu's open interest has risen by more than 52% from the low of $18.05 million on March 13 to the current amount of $27.51 million, or 2.4 trillion SHIB tokens, according to data from CoinLast, a futures trading intelligence platform. Since the asset's price frequently shows an increase when its OI rises, the OI chart shows a relationship between SHIB's open interest and price movement. On February 5, OI rose to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million. Alongside this, SHIB's price spiked to 0.00001527 that day, the asset's greatest value so far this year. But after February 5, SHIB's OI began to fall, and the asset's price also started to show declines. The open interest is once again seeing a rise in value after plunging to its lowest point on March 13. Investors anticipate that the asset's price will do the same. The volume of trades on Binance has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. Over the last 4 days, SHIB's volume on Binance has risen substantially every day after plunging to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8. There are now 2.44 trillion tokens in circulation. SHIB is trying to rise above an ascending triangle it is now trapped in during the prolonged consolidation period, despite its current poor performance. The asset is now trading at 0.000011, up 0.8% over the last hour, but down 0.97% over the last 24. SHIB may go for the February highs of 0.000015 if the triangle breaks out. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up share it, and subscribe to the channel. Although all grammatical errors have been corrected, the script's original meaning and length have not changed.